Well, it is super cold today. It's like in the 50s. So, I mean, it's not too cold, but it is cold. Right now, it's gonna be a Foxbody video and not a, S197 video. That'll come later on once I finally buy all the parts. But let's go ahead and pull this car out and show you what I'm about to do to this one. So the interior on the Foxbody is not the greatest. It is very red and very ugly to actually look at everything here. I mean, look how the seats look old. I mean, they're crusty. The dash, it's all right. I kind of like the two-tone look of it, but it's not my style, okay? I like everything to be black for some odd reason. All my cars gotta be black, and the interior's gotta be black. You know, the white Mustang, that's got a black interior, but it's white, that's why I'm selling it. Let's go ahead, and I wanna get these door panels off. I'm gonna hit them with some vinyl spray paint that I got. Since it is cold outside, I'm gonna have to warm these up, probably put them inside for now. Let's go ahead and take this whole cover off, whole door panel off, and let's scratch it down, and I'm gonna hit it with some paint and see, well, how good it's gonna come out. If it comes out bad, hey, at least it's black. I mean, I don't care. Cool, and it's off. Look how easy that was. Since I'm already there, should I just go ahead and paint these door jambs to match everything? Obviously not with the same paint. All right, why not? Let's just do it. We're already here. This is definitely not the right way to do this, but who cares? Somebody out there is gonna care. Just not me. Just letting you know that, not me. Now I need to start scuffing this guy up and get this ready for paint. Well, door panel is painted. The other side looks super red. I don't know. Kinda wanna just go get some, door card deletes. That way it doesn't look like anything like this. And it just looks super clean, and it's just got the window switch, and I think that's pretty much it. And then obviously the little door handle. But I really need to clean this thing out. It looks like I just parked this thing here and don't care about it. I don't know. I don't know. I sold the white Mustang to Bales, so Bailey's got a Mustang now. So we're all gonna be fucking squatting in Mustangs. I got mine. Look at my American Muscle book. Whoever still buys American Muscle, I don't know, they've kind of fallen off the wagon. I got something crazy I want to try, but it's not really crazy, but it's really good idea. Zach, what are you doing? Why are you taking my panel off? Why are you taking my panel off, Zach? It's so nice. Well, I'm pretty much going to be making some DIY door panels that are flat out of metal. All right, super simple. All we gotta do, take this off, trace it on the ground, and put it up, and pretty much just start cutting, and pretty much make a slot for the door handle, and pretty much make a little spot for the window switch and the door lock, and bada bing, bada boom, you're done to go. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and get this little girl off. You need a 10 mil on that one, just letting you know, it's over there. And let's get started. So Zach's got his cut out here, and pretty much we got the hole cut. We were completely off in that one. And we're trying to line up my hole that I made and make it just a teeny bit bigger to actually fit the push pin that we're gonna be installing, instead of like, say, like a self tapper. It's something that it may look ugly, so I'm just gonna go with push pins. Zach gave me an idea about
Riv nuts, just put threads wherever you want them. So like if you wanted threads right there, You just take a riv nut, pop it in there, and it's pretty much like a rivet, and it just expands itself. But you know, people use them for body kits and stuff all the time.
Yeah, it's still too small. After about 2 hours of continuously struggling and wanting to burn this whole race car down, I didn't though. You should be proud of me, just letting you know. So right now, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. If you guys are not, you know, subscribed, obviously, that's where I was going. But it's on, I pretty much just drilled holes and then put clips in there to hold it. And then this, I just kind of cut out, and then I need to tighten up these screws that are holding it in place, but it's not moving. I just need to get this done here, so it's just on. And then that side, I don't know what I want to do. It's either I can just make it round or I can fold it down. I might just make it round. Whew, this sucks. Not gonna lie, I'd rather just buy the $250 aluminum ones with the strap pre-made, just ready to go. But hey, this is fun. Right, Zach? Right, Zach? Zach? Zach, where you going? Yeah, you better clean my windows. Yeah. Yeah, I don't pay you for nothing. Yeah, clean those damn windows, boy. Ah, you got it on me. All right, well guys, here's this. It's not painted yet. I'm just kind of having those held in there for now, but I'm still gonna make a handle some way, shape, or form. I'm just pretty much gonna use a strap and pretty much grab it and close it. Yeah, it doesn't look too shabby how it is for pretty much $40 a sheet and some clips that I got from work. So, I mean, now I just need to paint it. I'll probably go ahead and paint it black to match the rest of the interior that I've already started trying to paint. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the driver's side on, and let's pretty much that's it. Get the driver's side on. So I got it cut out, and now I just need to make the holes and pretty much just screw it down, and that's pretty self-explanatory. And then start making the holes for the clips itself, just like how I did it here. The holes don't line up, Zach. Who did that? Was it you? Wasn't me. Nope. Yep, Zach, you done did screwed up again. Not even close. This red probably looked nice back in the day.
Little did they know this little thing was gonna be a street car.
Back then, they just thought, hey, put a 4-cylinder in a Mustang. Yeah, that's a smart move.
It's gonna be economical. It's gonna get such good gas mileage.
All right, go ahead and do the first test sit. You want to shut the door? You're going to have to pick up on it.
Oh.
Damn, works like a charm. Look at that. Whew! That looks good. Not gonna lie. Alright. Next step is get some new seats and get the whole interior put back together the way I want to look at it. Look at that. Glove on glove action there. Who saw that coming?
Where's the hole in the glove?
That was easy. I went from painting door panels to making door panels. How's that, you know, feel, Zach, that I wasted all that time painting, and you did too, just to paint them or make my own.
I mean, these didn't turn out too bad. I like them. It just makes it more street car. Don't look too bad for
80 bucks in metal.
And about way too long worth of work.
Way too long. people that do this for like professional, props to you, man. I ain't doing this again. I mean, I'll probably do it like once or twice in my lifetime, but I ain't doing that again. No, I'll buy my own. I'm good.
They must hate life.
Yeah. So, well, if you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate. I'm trying to get to 1,000, so let's go. Come on, help me out, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see the Foxbody versus that S197 that's supercharged? I don't know. Whoever made it this far in the video, put down waffles in the comments. This first thing in the top of my head, waffles. So, all right, peace out.